So hello guys, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another video. This video will be just dedicated to the trading plan, how I created my own trading plan when I was in Phantom and how I still refine my trading plan. So refinement is I will keep it for the next video whenever I feel like I should upload the refinement video. But in today's episode or today's video, I will go through how to create a trading plan. Okay. So basically, before creating any trading plan, you need three things. First of all, you need a data. Data means your trades, your general trades, your backtesting data, whatever you want. And if you want me to make an backtesting video, how to create a backtesting or whatever, like how to create, how to do backtesting, what are the things to keep in mind when you are backtesting, and what is the real way to do a backtesting sessions, you can comment down below in the video, and you can let me know that okay, I want this video, can you just make it, I'll try my best to do it. Okay, but in this video we will just go through how to create a data, how to analyze your data, and from that analyzing data you can create a trading plan. Okay, so first of all I will go to my backtesting data, which is the case study part. Okay, so here you can see, I'll just delete. Wait a minute, guys. So as you can see this here. So first of all, you need this type of data. Like, see, I have this 15 trade. Okay, this is the 15. This is just a part of a case study where of the June. Okay, this is the June case study which I have been doing. Okay, this is not a recent one. I did it like last before 2 or 3 weeks. So when you have this particular data, what you can do is, this is your, if I just try this annotation, and this number one and this number two, this is your gold mine. Okay, these both setups and Confluence, this is your gold mine. This is where you will create your trading plan. Okay, you will create your trading plan. And number three things is this one, session also. So most of there are so many questions which I often get asked is, what are the session do you trade, and how do I get to know which session is for good for me? So that's also you will have this in data planned on. Okay, and what you have to do is, before creating, you have to do a backtesting session. I'll not go to how to do a backtesting session over here, because it is a very big concept over in itself. Okay, so I will just go through how to create a trading plan. For example, you have this 15 trades. Okay, you have these 15 trades over here. You have these 15 trades over here. In these 15 trades, you have to see, like for example, what are the common patterns you are finding in this setup and in this Confluence. For me, this is the common setup. Okay, this is the common setup for me. This one, last point of demand failure, pro trend, 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 continuation swap, continuation swap, continuation swap, continuation swap, continuation swap. So these are the basically my setup which I have been taking in the June. Okay, this is the trading plan. This is the thing which was happening with me in a June. Okay, and it doesn't mean like it is happening in the June, so it won't happen in July. Okay, you have to keep in mind that the trading plan will work whenever, whatever time frame, whatever day you are. But once you have created a trading plan, after that it is your responsibility to refine it. Like, when, like, don't refine it just like in the back of your mind that okay, this is not working, this is not working. Write it down, each and everything. Like for example, here we have these 15 trades. Like, I'll come back, fuck it, man. So we have these 15 trades. You know that this is the one of, this is the thing which is working, this is the thing which is working. Why it's not working? So this is the thing which is working, this is the thing which is working. So in this particular thing, you will find your pattern. Like you will have two or three patterns which you will be able to find. So from that two or three patterns, you have to select your high probability trade. Okay, you have to select your high probability trade. How to select the high probability trade? For example, you have these 15 trades. Okay, or from 15 trades, you have this last point of demand failure setup, you have this last point of demand failure setup, you have this last point of demand failure setup. This is the first pattern. In my continuation sweep is another, continuation sweep is another, continuation sweep is another. After that, in this 15 trades, from this whole setups, what you have to do is you have to select any five trades. Okay, you have 15, you have to select any five trade, and you have to keep in mind that this is my high probability setup. After that, what you have to do, you just have to create another notion and just keep an high probability setup over there. I'll take this and you can write whatever you want over there. Okay, so this is how you do, how this is how you create your trading plan from the data you have. I'm teaching you how to analyze your data, and even I am showing you my data. Okay, it is nothing a big deal, man. It is just data. If I even give you this data, it won't be helpful for you. Why? Because your nature is different, your market viewment is different. Market, how you are viewing the market, how you are learning from the market, how you are learning from the mistakes, all the things which you have been doing up to from the starting of the journey from the SMC, you have been your nature. Like what you trade is your nature. Okay, your nature is what you are trading right now. Like if you say I am also trading last point of demand failure 15-minute mitigated zone pro trend, but inside this 50-minute mitigation zone there is another thing which I won't tell you guys, because it is my 100%, like this is the setup I personally take right now. So I won't go into that detail how I trade on basically. But if you want to know how I trade, what I do on a regular basis, you can book one-on-one with me, where I just go through each and everything, how to select your POI, how to do like there are the three main rules to select the POI which I personally use. That also I will give you. You will have particularly four calls with me of 1 hour each. In every call we will go to slowly and we will go through each and everything. In last part, I will also help you to create your trading plan. Okay, this is how you can create your trading plan, this is how I have created trading plan. On that fourth call, I will also show you that this is my trading plan, learn from it, what are the mistakes, do whatever you want with it. And I will show you that how to be a consistent trader in that particular 101. Okay, so if you are interested, you can DM me on Insta. If not, no big deal, man. So you have this continuation sweep. So from this you will create your high probability trade, high probability setup. Okay, and you will create your another notion. And after that, this is you have done this. And in this Confluence, what are the Confluence? Higher time frame continuation, higher time frame continuation, higher time frame continuation, higher time frame continuation. This, see, higher time frame, you can see each and everything has a higher time frame continuation. Only this guy doesn't have it, this guy doesn't have it, this guy have it, this guy have it. So for me to take this particular setup, I need higher time frame continuation. So number two is double confirmation, double confirmation. So each and everything is a double confirmation entry. So what does double confirmation entry means? Is you don't take risk entry, you wait for the confirmation. Okay, so that's what double confirmation entry means. Okay, you have this bearish UF, bearish UF. So bearish UF is nothing but supply chain. Okay, bearish UF is bearish expectational order flow. So structure, like bearish expectation order flow is nothing but market is breaking this structure, market breaks this structure, this is your order flow. Okay, this is your EOF. Okay, that's what I meant. So all each and everything is a pro trend, only one is a counter trend. Okay, this is how you, like, you have this. Now you have higher time frame continuation, you have to add each and everything. How you can do it, you have to give some example to go through. Like you can't just write that I will take last point of demand failure 15-minute mitigated zone, and Confluence will be higher time frame continuation, double confirmation entry, I won't kick in like that and all that stuff. You have to prove yourself, you have to see that. Okay, if I just show you, like I have my trading plan over here. Like you can see, this is my trading plan. Like this was my This was my trading plan number one. When I was in a phantom, after 2 months of phantom, I created my own trading plan. After two months, after again 2 months, I thought that there is something not working in my trading plan. So at that point of time, change of character was not my kind of thing. Okay, so I after that personally removed the change of character from my trading plan. So what I do is I wait for particular order block, and I wait for something something called sweep type 1, sweep type 2. Okay, this is my two type of swap which I personally use. I don't know if anyone knows about it, but it is something which I personally use. Okay, and this is my recent trading plan which which I personally trade right now. This in this also there are some points which was not working for me. So when you will find it's not working, because that reflect in your general, that will reflect in your general. So for I will just go back to, I don't want to. So you can see this here. Okay, so this is the Confluence, this is the setup, this is how you create your trading plan. This is how you create your trading plan. After creating your trading plan, you again go and backtest your trading plan. Just backtest each and every trade. So after that, you have created this wait a minute. You have five setups which you have rated the high probability setups. Okay, you sorry, not five setup, five trades. In five trades you need only two setups. Okay, you need only two setups. If it possible, you can just choose one setup, like don't even choose two setups. This was the number one mistake which I did when I was when I created my first plan. I have my like three or four setups which I was trading back then. Okay, so after that I goes to, after in second plan I have two entries, but right now I only trade one setups, and that is a very good, because I am getting a very good result, like right now, like in last month or this month, it is a very good result. Because once you have one setups only, like you know that this is the setup which I'm looking for, your mind won't think that okay, this setup is not there, let's go to the another setup. If this setup is not there, let's go to another setup. What you will do is you have only one setup, focus, like this is called the tunnel vision. Okay, so you have this one goal only. If you are on market, you are looking for one thing only, you are not distracted by two or three setups. Okay, you will be just wait for this one setup, and you will take your partials, you will take your average RR. So I'll also show you that how to take like a break even trades, or how to take partials and all that stuff. Okay, let me remove everything. Okay, let's go again back. Okay, so you can see, here this is the SL type. Okay, you will like in this particular, in this particular, this is also, this too is also important. Just ignore this because it is a trend which we all know about. Okay, so this is the stop loss size. Okay, and if I just come down over there, if I just see my average stop loss is, my average stop loss is 3.1 pip. Okay, in my GU trade, what is my average return? 6.6% average RR in my backtesting session. From 15 trades, I know that my trade will minimum go to 6.6%. Okay, so what you can do in that particular scenario, that you take some 50% partials at 6.6% over there. Okay, you will take 50% partial. This is how I basically use. Even you can close your whole full volume at 6.6%, which will also won't hurt you. But is in some case that trade will go to 20 or 30 or okay, but you are not targeting 20 or 30 or I personally if my 6.6, I personally close my full volume at 10%. Okay, my full volume at 10%, I'll close my full volume at 10%. You can see here there are 4%, there are 31%, 0 minus 1 1 0, there is break in 15%, 6%, 25%, 3 2 minus 3%, minus 2%. This is where it is with the scaling 3%, because I would have taken two or three trades in this particular data. So I rather creating two or three more lines, I'll just do one in one only. I'll just go with 3 minus 3% and all that stuff too. So 6%, 8%. You can see there is an average of 6%. Okay, over there. So this is how you can create your trading plan. That's all. There is nothing like, it is not something like big thing like when I was starting into my journey, I was also thinking like trading plan is a one of the gold mine, one of things that I need it. But yes, it is a gold mine. I agree it is the big thing which you need. I agree it is. I taught you how to create your trading plan. So now go back test and see, analyze your data. Same way, analyze it again, back testing. Okay, again go and back testing your trading plan, what you have created it. Okay, after that you will see what are the result is coming. Okay, and please guys, please, one more thing, stick to the one setups. Okay, stick to the one setup, if possible stick to the one setup. If you are getting two or three setups in your analyzing data, just go max to max two setups, man, not more than two setups. Just try that thing, give yourself a 2 or 3 week time, analyze it again, go into the market, trade with the lower fund. Not I'm talking about if you are funded trader, like if you are funded trader, you already have a trading plan. But if you are not funded trader, you can just like if you are funded or non-funded trader, I won't judge anyone. But what you have to do, you have to start with small amount, like even with $50, $60, whatever amount. Just go and trade 0.01 lot with your trading plan and see what are the things happening. Okay, what are the things is coming into your mind when you are trading, and what are the things which is working, which is not working. After that, refine it, all that stuff, all that's good stuff. Okay, so hope you all guys like it. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.